Hi everyone, Blake Jones here. In this episode of How Do You Do That, we're going to cover a slightly different subject now, and this is a new application that I've created called the Colorist Tool Kit Pro, and you'll find this is a great application that you can basically take the place of having to purchase something like a Stream Deck or a shortcut key box or anything like that, because what you can do is you can customize the buttons on the browser so that you can actually go through and trigger different shortcuts going to either Resolve or OBS or whatever application you want, and you can change the icons on the buttons, and you can change all that stuff, and it all happens for a fraction of the cost. Let's have a look at it and you can see. Okay, so here we're going to have a look at Colorist Tool Kit Pro on the iPad. And I've got the iPad connected here so I can see my screen. And you can see here various programs. And then I can the icon for the Colorist Tool Kit Pro is the color bar symbol. And then we have here, we've got our test patterns to assist you with calibrating your monitor. And you can go and check that out. And then we've got here feet and frame calculator. And then we've got here text to script mode on there. And then we've got document to SRT. So if we want to take a Word document and convert it into a subtitle file, we can do it easily here. And then we can make a checklist for setting up our project. And then also we have a MOGRT to Fusion converter. And so this is if we have any files that we've had from that are MOGRT, and we can easily convert those over. And then put a couple of games in there too. So if you want to go through, we have the about monitors for selecting the color, and then you click on the one to go through and do that. And then we have another one now called Color Invaders. And this is sort of a Space Invaders type thing, very simple game. So just in case, you've got some trying to kill some time between grading sessions, you can play a few games there. And then if you have some questions and you want to go in and look at so in case you have some questions about different functions on Resolve, this shortcut automatically takes you directly to my YouTube channel, and then you can search through all the various videos that I have here. And last but not least, we also have the shortcut pad. So what this does is this can, as you can see here, it's connected automatically by Wi-Fi. And so basically all I have to do is it shows that the server program is connected on the Mac to this. And or you can connect by a USB. And what this does is this allows you to access shortcuts within Resolve or even OBS, or you can make your own custom keyboard here, and you can change the icons, you can change everything is completely customizable on it. And so basically this is similar to those shortcut boxes that you see for sale on Amazon, which allows you to control shortcuts within DaVinci Resolve or Adobe After Effects or Adobe Premiere or any of these types of things. You can basically do exactly the same thing, but instead of using that piece of hardware, you're actually using your iPad or your iPhone. So this will run, this is at the moment I'm running it off my iPad, but I can actually run it off my iPhone with no problem. And you can see here, if I want to edit something, I can go through, I can edit the function, I can select this. So as you can see, there is all the functionality. I can change that. I can change the color. I can change the icons, and all that stuff can be done from there. Now this app, you can actually download it from the App Store. So the Colorist Tool Kit Lite is actually free of charge, but it does not have the shortcut pad. Colorist Tool Kit Pro does, and it's a very small amount when you think of how much you would actually spend for a shortcut box for accessing shortcuts on your computer. This will cost a fraction of what you would actually be paying for something like that. So it's actually a great deal. So there we have it. For more information about training services, have a look in the comments below. Don't forget to have a look at the other videos on my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing so you can be alerted to all the upcoming videos. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks a lot for watching.